Amen. 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 Welcome. Welcome. So let's react to Usimamani. Biggest culture. Usimamani. Let's check the song out, bro. This nigga is doing numbers, man. Wow. 543k. And this is just no feature. And this is a song in the album. Like, it's not Check. It's not Uvalo. Because Uvalo is a hit. This is just a song in the album. And, whoa. I think this was the best hip-hop album in the country, bro. I hear niggas talking about, yeah, Iris, but I think he has it, bro. He has it. See the video, man. Shout out.
Sayonara.
Ay. Valencia on a cap, picking Avenue a con. Big Gunzi aspire any all of y'all. Now my told send mommy big money every phone with that ball. I'm about to fuck it up. I swear to God, and Sazo Boogie Pun. 21 buttercup crib and Dwani on. I got a song with my idol wanna hear. Little ox. Bitch, I look clean and I don't care about my ops. Snitch niggas tell my business. Yeah, they with the cops. Damn. Try to get a feature with a boy, what toilet cocks. Like Vele Catlelo, and I got no time to send shots. Used to be Shibo, but now I'm out here eating prawns. Underwears in their asses every time I'm about to drop.
Ooh.
For real.
Ooh. No. Underwears. In their asses. Every time I'm trying to drop. So are they holding your shit? What are they doing, bro?
For real.
Is that what they're doing?
Real talk. Hey, manifestation said I would make it. Gentrification, crib in a they got no time to send shots. Used to be Shibo, but now I'm out here eating prawns. Underwears in their asses every time I'm about to drop.
Yeah, they're holding his shit.
For
That's
real.
what he's saying. Okay.
Real talk. Hey, manifestation said I would make it. Gentrification, crib in a spaceship. My mama's Facebook, congratulations. These altercations, I still don't say shit. I'm still the same, but not on the same shit. One of the greatest, somebody's favorite.
Still the
I'm like
same,
a baby,
not
a
on the same
motivation. Took me some practice, had to be patient. Lot of tears was on my mangi kalile kuzengifigela. Until the hater hliso moya ngisho angabosha ngekafigela.
The next big thing in South Africa.
So the kids take your time.
Lord Gating Mackenzie still saving the country, man. Shout out to Lord Gating, bro. Is there any South African who doesn't like agree with this guy and what he says, bro? I think not. That's why he's been knighted from Gating Mackenzie to Lord Gating Mackenzie.
I'm ungajahi kuyafiwa la. Shembe thatha indawo yakho naba ngasi bazama ukuvimba iphupho lami.
Shembe. Hey, man. Shembe. You see, a lot of people do not know about Shembe, and I also didn't know. But when I was in high school, there was a guy who didn't cut his hair. And when they asked him, yo, cut your hair, he just said, I'm from the Shembe church. But now, after watching Podcast and Chill and hear that, it's like something like if, like though the chosen people from the back days, they saying the same thing happened to him. So it's like the Muslims with Muhammad, the Prophet Muhammad, yes, and then the Christians with these people in the Bible that they went, others were heading cows, what, others were speaking with burning bushes and stuff. The same sort of thing happened to him. So that's what they saying, yeah, the culture came from.
Like they always trying to do it, bro.
So, Shembe
Ever since I got here,
is
brother.
their person. The Zulus.
That's
What's not the
whatever,
Zulus?
man.
Everyone in South Africa.
Sent
Everyone
my
in the
mama
world.
100K before I signed a fucking record deal. Indy. Now I understand
Did you
what
say
the
he's
kids when they
independent?
see
Is he independent?
Indy. Now I understand. Sent my mama 100K before I signed a fucking record deal. Indy. Now I understand what them kids when
Bro, is this guy independent, bro? Because I've been always worried about that. Like, is he independent? Because he just said here, indie. But there's this thing, man. Gamma. Yeah, if you know Gamma, bro. The guys that took him to Dubai for recording sessions and whatever. It's like he's signed to them, so what does he mean indie? Or he's just capping? Is this cap? Do you own your masters or you don't?
Indeed.
You don't, bro.
Now I understand why them kids when they see me ask me how I feel. And I'm the greatest new down leader, ngazi know my business with. Yeah. And I don't do pills, but I'm actually popping vitamins. Skin glowing, pockets heavy. Ballin' like I'm Balotelli. I'm with Bangoonies, never try to play me. They know I've been the one since I was still in my mama's belly. Should've listened when I told you that I'm the Cavelli. Couch on Seagull. Move so quiet, but I'm on moves and I'm seen though. Shembe the plug, I give props to Tico. If it ain't money, then I'm Bambi.
Shembe the plug, I give props to Utiko. So what I was saying, you see, with the so this is like, I might not be right. So this is just from my own research about the religions and stuff. So when he's saying Shembe the plug, props to Utiko. So Shembe, as in like he's like the sent one. He's sent by God to free his people so that you can praise me without losing your cultural values, because that's what Zulus are protecting with Ushembe. You see, same as Muslims with the sent person. The plug is the Prophet Muhammad, but to who? To Allah. Wow, Baz Sabado.
On couch. Hey man, they don't believe that it's me, bro. It's crazy. Still the same guy that you know.
I wonder how it feels.
Still the same little boy
People
that
wake
used to
up
travel
knowing
to the
you.
studio.
Next thing you are, see my money.
Tip on the fence. It's me. Almost shot my
Dope
heart.
music video, bro. Dope music
Cartel
video.
Secret
I like the
up
fact
here.
that it was just chill.
Rest in peace, some CZ, man. I know you watching over us, you proud. Big love, big Johnny 4L.
The helper.
Slick.
I bet. This is dope, man. This is dope, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. This guy has the potential of becoming the biggest artist in South Africa, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Hey, man. Make sure you watch the video till the end, and you also like the video, man. I'm out, bro. I'm out.